In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Fifth Third Bank. If you need to reorder checks for your account, the process is pretty straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to expect along the way. This is especially helpful if you haven't ordered checks online before and want to make sure you're using the official bank website. To begin, go to the Fifth Third Bank website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. This is important anytime you're dealing with banking-related services because you want to avoid unofficial links or third-party pages that could be confusing. From the main homepage, look for the bank section and click on it. This will take you to the part of the site that includes personal banking options and services related to checking accounts, savings, and other everyday banking tools. If you're browsing on a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, but the options should still be available in the site navigation. After that, find and click on Order Checks. This is the option that takes you to the check reordering area. If you already have a checking account and simply need more checks, this is the section you'll want. It saves time compared to searching through multiple account pages. Once you're on the check reordering page, click on Order Now. This button starts the actual ordering process. At this point, you're moving from general information into the next stage where the bank helps direct you to the check supplier used for orders. Next, click on Continue. This usually appears after the site gives you a brief explanation about the check ordering service. It's basically confirming that you're ready to move forward to complete your reorder. After you do that, you'll be taken to the Harlan Clark website to finish your order. This is the check provider used to complete the process. When you arrive there, just follow the prompts shown on the screen to choose and confirm your check order. Make sure you review the details carefully before submitting, especially your account information, shipping details, and the style of checks you're selecting. A helpful tip here is to have your previous checkbook nearby if you need to verify any information during the reorder process. Also, before placing the final order, double-check any fees, quantities, or delivery timelines so there are no surprises, and that's how to order checks from Fifth Third Bank. Thanks for watching.